Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Asghar. Asghar joined our funded trader program on the 5th of November and hit his first 10% target on the 7th of December. So just 1 month for him to hit his first 10% target. Very well done, congratulations. So from his equity line we can see that maybe not straight away in the beginning, but just a few days after he joined, he just went one way up towards his first 10% target. We can see a really nice upward sloping equity line. From the statistics, we can see an average daily return of 0.37%, which is really good as results. A monthly return of 11.39%, because of course he's still trading at the moment, and an average drawdown, floating drawdown of only 5.24%. Okay, very good. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So Asghar only took 19 trades, 19 positions, with a profitability rate of 79%, which is really good. It's a very good winning ratio, so well done. An average win of 40 pips and an average loss of 53 pips, but his winning rate is really nice and outstanding, I might say. Let's have a look at the best trade and the worst trade. So, best trade in terms of dollar was on the 9th of December. He gained $830, while on December the 1st, he was losing $430. I believe the worst trade is the same one, in terms of dollar and terms of pips. So I believe it was in this trade that he lost 86 pips. While his best trade in terms of pips was on the 12th of November, he gained 140 pips. Okay, very good, very well done. Let's have a look at the summary to see on which pair he focused the most for this 19 position he opened. And yeah, we can see just 4 trades here and there, but the majority 15 trades out of the 19 were on the pound dollar. He gained 381 pips, resulting in $2,383. Well, I believe part of those results are belongs to the second account that is now managing with us. Yeah, of course. We can see from a negative point of view, just one position, pound yen, he lost 21 pips, losing $200, but overall very well done, very good. Let's have a look at here when he first joined. That was again on the 5th of November. Let's have a look at the lot size that he used. Just 2 pages of account history. Well, of course, we are talking about 19 positions. So this trader, amazing Asghar, you hit your first 10% target in just 19 trades. Very well done, very good. Congratulations are in order here. So he went full lot, of course, and here on the 4th of December he hit the first 10% target, and now is trading at the moment his second account. So I need to make a correction here, because when I mentioned here from the advanced statistics the best trade and the worst trade, I just realized, sorry, not the worst trade, but the best trade was actually made on the second account. In fact, it was quite a big amount for one trade. Very good anyway. So let's have a look at the average trade length, 23 hours and 52 minutes. So I believe is more towards swing trading here. And in fact, yes, while we can see how still the majority of the position he had was held for less than 20 hours, we can see quite a number of positions held for longer. But it was outstanding also before the fact that he had a quite good, a very high winning rate. But what also I want to mention is that the only positions that were held longer than the average, than 1 day, were the positive position, the winning trades. Only 2 positions of those held for longer than 20 hours were negative trades. Asghar, well done, very well done. Congratulations on hitting your first target. I really look forward to do the second review of your account.